How to delete Apple ID account permanently on iPhone. Here's what you need to know before you delete your account. All data associated with your Apple ID is deleted from Apple's server files stored in the iCloud, such as your documents, photos, videos. You will stop receiving calls and messages sent to your account from iMessage, FaceTime, and iCloud mail services. To delete your account, go to your browser and search privacy.apple.com. Make sure that you log in with your Apple ID. And once you're logged in, you can scroll all the way down until you see Delete Your Account. Simply click on the Request to delete your account. You are required to read through these instructions, and once you do, further down below you are required to select a reason for why you are deleting this Apple ID. After you've selected a reason, simply hit on the Continue button. After this, you will be required to provide an alternative email and verify the email address of your Apple ID. And that's it. This is how you can delete your Apple ID. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.